Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Google Tag Manager for website events, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Google Tag Manager for website events, start by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have an account, create one by visiting tagmanager.google.com. Once logged in, select your workspace or create a new one specific to your website. Next, click on Add a new tag to begin configuring your event tracking. Choose Tag Configuration and then select Google Analytics GA4 Event from the list of tag types. In the Configuration Tags section, select or create a new GA4 configuration tag if you haven't done so already. Enter the name of the event you want to track in the Event Name field. If your event requires additional parameters, scroll down to the Event Parameters section and add those as needed. Next, proceed to define the trigger for your event by clicking on Triggering. Select an existing trigger or create a new one to specify. To create a new trigger, click on the plus icon in the Triggering section. Choose the type of interaction you want to track, such as clicks, form submissions, or page views. Configure the trigger settings based on your chosen interaction type. For click events, for example, choose all clicks or specify certain elements using CSS selectors. Once you finish setting up the trigger, click on Save to return to your tag. Review your tag settings to ensure everything is properly configured. After confirming your settings, click on the Submit button in the top right corner. Add a version name and description for your changes, then click on Publish to make them live. To ensure your events are firing correctly, use the Preview mode in Google Tag Manager. In Preview mode, navigate to your website to test the events you've set up. Check the Google Tag Manager debug pane to see if the events are being triggered as expected. If the events are working correctly, return to Google Tag Manager and exit Preview mode. Now, head over to your Google Analytics account to verify that the events are being recorded. Monitor the conversions and data related to your new events over time to assess their effectiveness. If needed, revisit Google Tag Manager to make adjustments or add additional tracking as requirements evolve. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.